Hi there, Tam here from Perfect Supplements Australia. Thanks for joining me in my kitchen today. I'm going to be showing you how to make lamingtons, but using the Perfect Hydrolyzed Collagen powder. So stay tuned, keep watching this video and grab the recipe. So I just wanted you to know that I did attempt a gluten-free lamington, but it just didn't work for me. So I ended up using spelt flour, and I just want to show you the difference between my gluten-free sponge and my spelt flour sponge. This is my gluten-free sponge. As you can see, it looks kind of like a biscuit. However, this is my spelt flour sponge. It's beautiful, it's spongy. Oh, it's going to be so delicious. I'm so glad I chose to use spelt flour in the end. Making these lamingtons was so much fun. I really enjoyed the process, and I'm really happy with the result too, and can't wait to try one later. How good do they look? I'll leave the full recipe in the description below. If you liked today's video, be sure to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great recipe videos, and tap the bell to receive notifications. Also, I'll leave the link for the Perfect Hydrolyzed Collagen in the description below. Hope you enjoyed the video today and can't wait to make another one for you. Have a great day.